Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited TikTok coins on TikTok. And yeah, this works for both Android and iOS devices, so if you have an iPhone, stay here because this also works for iPhone. Basically, as you can see here on my screen, I have two apps, okay? One it's TikTok Plus Plus, as you can see here, and the other it's TikTok. And we're going to use this TikTok Plus Plus app, which is the modded app that we're going to install. I'm going to show you how to do it. Basically, with this app, if you go to the reward section, so I'm just going to here on the rewards, boom, as you can see, check on the bottom, you can see that there is like 1 million coins growing of TikTok coins. And this is not all. Now we can purchase anything we want, but we can also recharge anytime. So for example, I'm just going to press at this pack right here. I'm just going to press on recharge and boom, also gets recharged to my account. So yeah, basically with this, we will get by default 1 million coins on TikTok, and then we will be able to recharge the amount of coins. So this is really cool. With this, you will be able to gift anything you want to your favorite creators, or just to get the coins just for fun. So yeah, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to install it for both Android and iOS devices. It's exactly the same steps, so just follow these instructions. So the first step we need to do is just go to settings, okay? You need to go to settings to iPhone or Android, and then on settings, try to find the section where battery is, okay? For iPhone, it's super simple, just go settings and battery, and then you will see the low power mode there. Just make sure that is turned off, okay? And for Android, it's different. Depending on your Android version, you will need to find where the battery is. So in my Android, it's right here. Yeah, so just check where is the power mode, the battery power mode, and make sure that you don't have any mode that it's like saving battery or something like that. This is important because we're going to install this through the browser that we are using. And sometimes when this mode is turned off on, if you have some mode that is saving battery, sometimes it doesn't start. This is the reason of it, because it's trying to save battery and it's not starting the process. So yeah, just make sure you have this like this, and now we can start the installation. So what we're going to do now is basically open our browser. You can open Google Chrome or Safari, and then here on the browser we are going to access appsave.club. All right, this is the official website of the developers of this mod. So yeah, just access appsave.club, and here just type well, you will see that there are like different apps and that. So we need to search on this search bar right here, which says search. So just type TikTok, and then it will pop up right here, TikTok plus plus. TikTok plus plus, it's the app that we are going to install. So yeah, just press on it, just press on TikTok plus plus, and then just press on start injecting. Okay, so when you press on it, you will see that there is some process that it's starting, and what it's doing is basically installing this mod through the browser that we are using. Basically, it will create an extension, and this extension will be installed into your home screen. Okay, so yeah, basically this extension will be TikTok plus plus, and it will contain all the files of TikTok plus plus, so you will be able to run it and then get the unlimited amount of coins. Is this easy, guys? As you can see, this is super simple. You don't need to root your device or jailbreak or anything like that, and boom, as you can see here we have it, app injected. Please check the device home screen. So when you see this page, it means that the app has been correctly installed. But if it's the first time that you do it, you will see like a different page with some instructions. It will ask you to install like 2 apps or something like that. Just do it. I have already done that, and then you will be able to install any mod from the site with just one tap. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much all, guys. Hope you like this video, and yeah, if you are tired of this TikTok plus plus, you can remove it and it will be gone. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.